Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve the issue of Bluetooth devices not working. So first you need to go to this option where you can see your Bluetooth on or off. Go on this, click on make on Bluetooth and then connect your device with which you want to connect. Make sure it is paired properly and it is also connected. After that, if it's still not working, then you need to go to the search bar, type here services, go to the services, click on services, and in here you have to select the option of Bluetooth. So you have to type B, and then you need to go to this support service, and in here you need to go to the right click, and if it is running, then it will show the stop option, but if it's not running, then it will show start option. You have to click on start. But even if it's not working, after that also you have to go to properties, click on manual and go to the automatic option and click on OK. So that will click on apply and then OK, so that will solve your issue. If that also doesn't solve your issue, then you have to troubleshoot the problem. So click on search and then search troubleshoot settings. Click on troubleshoot settings and then you have to go to this option of other troubleshooters, and then you have to scroll down a bit and go to the Bluetooth option, click on run, and after running it you will be able to troubleshoot it and you can solve this issue. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to like, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.